So let's say you're using Azure App Services to host one of your applications and you need to run a random script. Well, how are you going to do that? That's where WebJobs comes into play. So it comes at no additional cost, and WebJobs is not yet supported for Linux, which is of no surprise here because Microsoft is all about Windows, but I hope one day they will support it. The following types they support as of today are command files, bat files, executables. We got PowerShell files, Bash files, PHP files, Python files, JavaScript files, and Java files. When you go ahead and create your job, you're going to have between two types. So you got continuous and triggered. Continuous means that it's going to run continually until stopped, which is pretty clear. And this particular mode supports debugging. So if you need debugging, that's the mode you're going to be using. For triggered, this only runs when a trigger occurs. And you have different kinds of triggered here. So you notice we have scheduled, and we can enter a cron job in. And this will also expose a webhook that can be called to enable scenarios like scheduling. I think that would be like manual triggers. It doesn't support debugging, though. So looking at web job scales, and this is for continuous only. We have multi-instance and single instance. So multi is will scale your web jobs across all instances for your app service plan. And single instance will only keep a single copy of your web job running regardless of the Azure App Plan instance count. So there you go.